Welcome to our new coaching strands for the 2019 to 20 school year. You will have 8 strands from which to choose this year. We'll gear our strand work toward real school situations as we apply and discuss the ideas about coaching. All of the strands are open to all of the STAT teachers, elementary and secondary. We'll be planning together as a team of facilitators, so we'll have lots of applications for everyone. You'll be bringing some real issues you face to these strands, of course, keeping the names anonymous. In the fall, we'll provide you with some typical coaching challenges to learn about and to discuss. By winter, you'll be bringing some of your own real struggles as you and your peers work together through the strands. We plan to provide some fresh perspectives and information in a workshop format with some mini lessons about key concepts related to your strand, some work time to collaborate, and some time to celebrate and share ideas and successes with one another. Members of the strand groups will be teachers as well as learners. We'll keep it real for all of us as we proactively support one another in the challenges and in facing the isolation that we as STAT teachers have as the only professional within this role working within the individual school settings. This work is designed to be meaningful and engaging for us together this year as we work to share the same strand all year and build trusting relationships among our community of learners in this strand. Maybe it'll even be fun. Now enjoy checking out the Coaching Strand videos and the commercials below.